Lil Boosie has just pleaded guilty to a federal gun charge. It was once a state charge and they dropped it, but the feds picked it up, with him being a felon and the charge being unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. Let's get into the news.
All right, on to a little more serious news here. A well-known rapper with a big following on social media could be headed back to prison after he pleaded guilty to a gun charge in federal court today.
Boosie was arrested during a traffic stop here in San Diego 2 years ago. CBS 8's Kelly Hezedal joins us live downtown. Kelly, you were in the courtroom. You also spoke to Boosie. What can you tell us?
That's right, and his legal name is Torrance Hatch. Now, a lot of times defendants don't really want to talk to us if they're still going through court proceedings, but he was fine with it. He says he accepts responsibility for what happened, and he's ready to move forward.
Man, the lady fucked Boosie name all the way up. The lady said Boozy. What the fuck is that? From what I've been seeing, he kind of been on his business, man. He ain't been in the news too much. He been chilling. He ain't been talking about D-Wade's son or nothing like that. So he has been on a straight, narrow path. So hopefully he can just get over this and get back to business as usual.
I want to get it behind me and get on with my life. You know, it's a lot of things this case has stopped me from doing, traveling all across the world, making. So I just want to get it over with and, you know, accept my guilty plea. I'm ready to get over with.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Just say a prayer for me. I just need prayer. I don't need nothing else. Yeah.
And his attorney provided us this video of him performing on stage. Now, Hatch, known as Boosie to his fans, now awaits sentencing. He's a father of 9 kids. His fiance was with him in court today. So some background on this case. It stems from a traffic stop in San Diego in May 2023. Hatch was arrested in Choias View after police found 2 guns inside a vehicle he was riding in. Now, the state charges were eventually dropped, but the feds then pursued a case against him because he was a convicted felon in possession of a firearm, which violates federal law. Now, the 42-year-old rapper announced earlier this month on social media that he was going to take a plea deal. And so this morning he went before a judge and entered that guilty plea. So here's what his defense attorney told me outside court.
I am optimistic for Mr. Hatch. He, as you just explained, wanted nothing more than to accept responsibility and put this behind him. And now it's my job to make sure the court understands the scope of the case and what the case is really about. And more importantly, all of the amazing things that Mr. Hatch has done for the community, continues to do, and the amazing things that he will do going forward.
As a man, I can commend him for taking his charge and going to do his time like a man if he gets any time. That's an honorable thing. Know you in the wrong and just accept responsibility. It's not a lot of people out here doing this. A lot of people got the blame game aspect going on in life to where it's everybody else's fault except theirs. So I commend Boosie for that. Well, anyway, tell me what you guys think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys back here in another video.